Happy holidays, MHK family, and welcome to the Elf Workshop presented by your family service workers. I'm Miss Jones, Miss Monet,
And Miss Humphrey.
and today we're going to be showing you 3 different keepsake ornaments to do at home with your families. I'll be showing you the Elmo ornament,
And then I'll show you the Cookie Monster.
And we have the keepsake ornament.
Hi everyone, so first we're going to begin to make our Elmo ornament. This is the bag that will be provided to you to create your ornament. First, we're going to take out our items. We have our red shredded paper, our clear ornament, and our Elmo eyes. First, you're going to carefully remove the top of the ornament. And then grab your shredded paper and begin stuffing your ornament. Remember, take your time. This is a great way to practice your fine motor skills. Stuff, 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 and stuff as much as you would like. Once you stuff your ornament to the amount that you would like, then go ask your parents to help you place the top back on your ornament. Once you do that, place that to the side and grab your Elmo eyes. Get your school glue and put just a little bit on your Elmo eyes. Once you do that, you're going to place that in the middle of your ornament and let that sit and dry. And then you have your Elmo ornament.
And next we will be making our Cookie Monster ornament. So first you need to take the items out of your supply bag. We have a clear ornament, which I already started stuffing a little bit, the blue shred paper, and some eyes. So you're going to carefully take the top off your ornament and put just a little bit of paper, or just as much as you like in there, to fill it up. Just a little bit more. And then you will carefully put the top back on the ornament. You may need to ask your mom or dad for some help with this. Okay. And then we're going to take our glue and glue the eyes and place them right here in the middle of our ornament. Set that aside to let it dry, and then you have Cookie Monster.
All right, family, next we have our holiday ornament. We have our supplies in our bag. We have our paper ornament, a glass ball, jingle bell with ribbon, and one piece of ribbon. You also are going to need a pair of scissors and a Sharpie or any color marker. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your piece of ribbon and you're going to stretch it out, and you're actually going to measure your child to see how tall they are with the ribbon. So with the excess ribbon, you're just going to cut off. With the rest of the ribbon, you're going to take your clear plastic ornament and carefully take the top off. Then you're going to stuff the ribbon into the plastic ornament. And this is good eye-hand coordination along with fine motor skills. Keep stuffing, stuffing, stuffing. There you have it. You're going to then put that on the top of the pan, like so. And what makes this ornament so special is with the paper right here. The paper reads, "This ribbon is very special indeed, because if you untie it, it's just the exact same size as me. Keep to remember how little I was in 2020." Then you'll take your ribbon with a jingle bell. You'll attach it to into the paper ribbon. But first, you can have your child, with the marker or Sharpie that you have, write their name on the line here. Then you take it and you attach this piece to the ornament. And tie it in a little knot. And here's your finished product, your keepsake holiday ornament. Now, and that is all done. You have 3 new keepsake ornaments. We hope that you enjoyed our video, and if you decide to make a keepsake ornament, please take a picture and send your teacher so we can post it on our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
To reach out to your family service worker to get your supply bag to make your ornaments. Happy holidays!